Welcome to Paint on Plastic with Linc and Wright.
Hey friends, Linc and Wright here, and I'm so excited to get back to Gunpla. My next project is going to be the MG Jesta, and I wanted to give you an update on this, share it with you first, and let you know that I'll be doing a series of tutorials walking through this, and I'm sharing them here on YouTube. I thought it might be a good chance to, actually I'll tell you what I'm doing first. That's how we'll do it. My plan is to use some of the techniques I've developed and practiced on recent projects with water-based acrylics and then hand brushing them onto Gunpla. I've not done that yet. In addition, I thought if I let you know about this first, you might be able to get in early with some questions that I can then use the content to answer your questions. Make it a little bit more interactive that way. Plus, I figured a lot of my friends who watch my channel, you have way more Gunpla experience than I do. If you have some suggestions, etc., I thought it could be cool to learn from you as I'm learning and trying to give back. I thought that could be kind of a cool community way to run this. Sorry, the voice is a bit shaky and quiet. My daughter's still asleep. Make sure to like the video if this is the kind of content you want to see from me, because I'll see by the bump in likes. And subscribe will help and get the notifications so you don't miss out. I think this will be a fun community event for us. And I hope the shares are really useful for everybody. Thanks a bunch, guys. More soon. Bye for now.